and welcome to today's vlog. I'm JP, John Paul, if you haven't seen one of my videos before, and as I said, I'm in back of Beyond campsite in Ringwood in Hampshire, just down the road from Christchurch. It's a beautiful site. Watch the other video, tells you all about it. Okay, and I put some bird feeders up here when I pull my van up, and I've got nuthatches on long-tailed tits, blue tits, great tits, robins, magpies, they're all coming today. But anyway, it's a beautiful day and I'm just waiting for a good friend of mine to turn up, Nigel Grigsby, otherwise known as Griggers. Very accomplished wildlife photographer, absolutely superb. He's taken some superb pics. I'll stick some up in amongst this video or at the end of some of the work he's done, so you can enjoy that. So we're going to go out for a nice day's wildlife photography. We're going to have a little mooch around here because it's such a beautiful day. Got up, it's a frosty day. You can hear all the birds singing. It's a really frosty day. Nice and cold. Picked a good day for it. And then we're going to go over to, it's down sort of Muddyford or Muddyford way. It's a marsh reserve. So it's like a wildlife reserve down there, birding reserve. So I'm going to go have a little look down there. Take you down there with us, see what we can see. See some coastal birds for a change. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, pretty much mooching around in my motorhome, doing wildlife photography, bit of bushcraft, etc. So a lot of outdoor stuff. Okay, there's a nuthatch right behind me. I'll turn around. There you go, stand there, he's behind me. There was 5 nuthatches out here yesterday, all fighting over the food. Blue tit, get some photographs, stick them in for you. So I think you like them, they're really pretty birds. Yeah, anyway, that's enough of me rambling on, as usual. On with the video, hope you enjoy it. Hello and welcome to the vlog again. Right, so we are at Hengistbury Head Visitor Centre today. It's down near Christchurch, and it's like a big coastal reserve really. I'm here with Nigel, that's his camera. He's just jogged off to use the gents. We're going to have a walk around here, see what wildlife we can photograph. Lots of bird life around. We've had a heads up. There's a maybe a marsh harrier on a post. And we're just going to have a walk around. There's Sammie. She's my video lady today. She's my video lady. Very good at that, she is. And yeah, so we're going to have a little walk around. It's quite nice here. It's a big visitor centre, lots to look at in there. Nice shop. There's a cafe that behind me. Where is it? Yeah, somewhere. There's a cafe over there. Looks quite a nice cafe. Yeah, just going to go and do some wildlife photography. See what birds we can find flying about, which we'll show you as we take some video. Seems really nice though. Watch this space. So we're over this Hengistbury Head Visitor Centre. We're going for a walk. And look, Will, there's your dad, John. How cool's that? Oh, Johnny boy, Will. So yeah, we've just stopped, got a Maori bunting in a bush over yonder. Old Nigel taking some photographs. He's got a 5D Mark IV, and what's that lens, Nigel?
300 2.8.
300 2.8 prime, and I've got the 5D Mark IV with a 600mm on it. We've got a nice reed bunting over there. Let's just get a photograph. He's just moved. Got his back to us. Yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful day. I think I just heard my first skylark. Did you hear a skylark? I just heard the first skylark of the year, I think. Yeah, it's really nice here. Got all this extra. I'll turn you around, hang on. Got all this estuary area. Plenty of seats here. To sit around, but we're going to walk all the way down there because there's a lagoon down there. Apparently they've got adverts on it. Yeah, very nice. Got that big spit of land up there. This is like a spit of land that goes out. You can walk all the way around it. But the visitor centre's nice. Look at that, thatched. Yeah. See what else we can find. So we're over this bit, we've got some red shanks flying about. Got an Eurasian teal over there. Nigel's just got a nice photograph of that. Show you that in a second. There's some red shanks out here, Eurasian teal, we had a couple of jays take off. Quite a nice little bit of marshland. We're working our way down here. Come from that marshy bit, got a few bits and bobs there. Coming down at the shoreline here. The only problem here, I'll say, too many people, too many dog walkers, for my liking anyway. But yeah, it's nice, great for a dog walk. Pretty good. We're going over to this lagoon thing now where they've got advert sets apparently, so see if we can get some advert sets. right down on the seafront here now. Got all these lovely beach huts, beautiful, really nice. Bit there an arm and a leg. So it's quite nice down there on the marshes. Got old Nigel there. There's Sammie the spotter. She's everything about half hour before we do. Yeah, we can make our way down the seashore, walk down this bit, and then go into that woodland there, see what we can see. Yeah, it's worth a walk. Lovely clear day. See what else we can see, eh? So we're on Muddyford or Murdyford. You what, mate?
See the needles on the Isle of Wight.
Oh. I'll see if we can see the needles from the Isle of Wight. It's really good visibility today. So we're on Muddyford or Muddyford Sandbank. Now, so the information, we've walked all the way. We walked flipping quite a way down. It's all flat, good path, so if you're on a scooter or disabled and you've got a wheelchair or whatever, really good to get around on. And that in front of you is the old Isle of Wight. Right, it's good, isn't it? Great visibility.
Looks like people up and round the corner, that's where I live.
Oh, right, okay.
Get yourself a boat, mate, you'd have been here quicker. Nice. It's nice. Good visibility, isn't it? See that over there. Birdman of Christchurch. Not a poor pirate, mate. Right, so we've had our burger and chips. We've just come back to, believe it or not, where we see the Dartford warbler the other day. with Nigel and Sammie, because Nigel wants to see a dark-filled warbler. So we've got Sammie the spotter. Sammie the spotter on the binoculars. And we'll see if we can see him. See what else we can get. But that other place was alright, a lot of people about. But I had a lovely Stilton beef burger. Oh, it's flipping lovely. Anyway, let's go and have a look, see what we see now. You never know, might see another dark-filled warbler. So all of a sudden, dark-filled warbler's disappeared. Sorry about the sun now. And nice male kestrel come bowling across into this bowl. So we got some shots of it hovering right above her head. I'll show you one that Nigel's got.
Amazing, because now you can hear them.
So yeah, it's hovering just above her head. Managed to get some shots. I'll put some shots of it up now. But we've got the dark-filled warbler since we've been here, which is nice. And 2 buzzards. I'll put some photographs up for you to have a look at. But this is definitely a fruitful little productive area, this. It's nice to know that you can just come straight to somewhere and get some nice shots. I mean, Nigel's not taken pictures of a dark-filled warbler before. And come straight here, and literally 10 minutes after we was here, bang, we got them. It's lovely. Happy flipping days. Only took me 31 bloody years. Oh, Mr. Smuggy McSmugpence over there has got it in 5 minutes. Anyway, see what else we can get. But that was nice. It's a nice sight. Beautiful pictures. Happy days. Right, that's us finished for the day. We've had enough now. We've seen some stone chats, dark-filled warbler, got some lovely kestrel photographs as you've seen, buzzards and stuff. We're packing up now, and old Griggers are off. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, like the video even if you didn't like the video, and I'm knackered. We'll catch you later. See you later on, bye.